Yes. I was saying that for last 20 years, I have been telling Muslim organizations that they should try to bring Dalits together, because it is our duty also that we should protect them. We should provide protection to them, social protection, economic protection to them, and it is our duty that we should approach them rather than expect them to approach us. So it is our duty more than their duty, because if we believe in Islam, we believe in equality. And if a certain community is facing discrimination on the ground of birth, then it is our duty to help them, and we should come forward. And but that is another thing. Okay, as I was saying, whatever we do, even if we do the best possible thing, then the enemy forces will always target us. They will find one way or the other to criticize us, to criticize our approach, because it is their agenda. There is their very agenda. The first point in their agenda is to target Muslims one way or the other.
Sir, on Mandir issue, we know that at the time of Corona pandemic, how the Prime Minister has gone there, he performed puja there, he projected himself as the leader of the majority community, and even sadly, a person who was with him sitting near puja asthal, he was found, I think, positive, and we. Corona positive, and we just pray that our Prime Minister is healthy. But his visit has really created concern for us. It is a gross violation of secularism. It has, I think, saddened everybody. It's not a question of Hindu and Muslim. And I think there is a sense of disappointment, a deep level of disappointment among minority community also particularly. Your message to them at this critical time?
Okay, yeah, my message to them is, okay, look at the Muslim community. Despite the fact that most of the Muslims, they think that the Supreme Court judgment was not the right judgment. They presented the facts differently, and they gave the final decision in a different way. There is a huge difference within their approach. But still, because Muslims had said, okay, we will follow the court judgment, so they have followed the court judgment. They have maintained peace. Now we should tell that at least a Prime Minister of the country, who is a Prime Minister not just of one community, he is Prime Minister of the whole country, of every community, he should have taken care that in such a pure one-sided affair, he could have avoided it. But if he had chosen to go to it, even then his message could have been a little different. But things are going the way, what can I tell, that what is happening in last 2 years and 3 years or 4 years, things are becoming worse and worse with every passing day.
Sir, the political scene in India seems to remain dominated by the Hindutva forces. Some message for secular forces, not only political parties, anybody, including me and you, how we should approach this difficult situation and maintain our humanity and brotherhood.
The first thing is we have to combine together. The second thing is that we have to learn the art of intellectual aggression. Intellectual aggression is very much essential. We should be able to counter their propaganda through proper arguments, through proper presentation of facts, proper presentation of statistics. Unfortunately, we become emotional when we counter them. Instead of being emotional, we should try to bring facts to the